Good morning student. Today we are starting the chapter 8 water. The formula of water is H2O and the molecular weight is 18. Molecular weight is 18. Now the question comes, how the molecular weight we are being. Here how many hydrogen are there? Here the H2O. There are 2 hydrogen are there. So the molecular mass of one hydrogen is 1. That's why we have to multiply it with the 1. Plus how many oxygen are here? There is a single oxygen and the mass of one single oxygen is 16. So overall it's a 2 plus 16. How much weight we are getting? 18. It's a 18 AMP. Atomic mass unit. So the molecular weight is what? 18. The formula name is, chemical name of water is, it's a dihydrogen oxide. Why it is called a dihydrogen oxide? The reason behind, here what we have then H2O. How many hydrogen are here? Here is a 2 hydrogen and single oxygen is there. That's why it's a dihydrogen oxide is there. Okay. Now come to the next point. What are the occurrence of this H2O? Occurrence of H2O. Majority of the portion of the earth is filled with the water. Okay. Almost 3/4 part of entire earth is filled with water. And here in this one, whatever the majority of the water is there, it is in the form of ice, especially in a polar region. For example, Arctic and Antarctic regions. Okay. Most of the human body or any other animal body are having a water. Now come to the next topic. What are the sources of water? The next topic is sources of water. There is a mainly 3 sources of water are there. One is surface water, another is underground water, and third one is above the surface water. The first one is surface water, second one is underground water, and the third one is above the surface water. So here in this one, in the surface water there is a 2 types of water are there, ocean and river water. Here in this one, ocean, and second one is river and lake water is there. The next one is underground water. Here in underground water there is a spring water is there and well water is there. The spring water is there and well water is present in the underground water. And the third one is above the surface water. Here above the surface water is a rainwater, and moisture in the air. So these are the different sources of the water. Here in this entire world, ocean having the maximum majority of the water content. It is about to almost 71% of the water contained by the ocean. Okay. Okay, thank you, student.